the Habonim group went over to the Hashomer Hatzair group, which was preparing for transportation to Israel, illegally, but preparing. And we had food there, and one of the days that I was there, Albert Einstein, and I thought his wife, came with him. And they socialized and they talked, and I was so impressed. I knew the name Albert Einstein, even though I was quite young, and I was really taken aback. But he was a very nice, regular guy, and we fed him corn on the cob, which I cooked, and we fed him other things too, but it was really very nice to see him in a natural situation.